Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing great. So today we are with another video. Unfortunately, I was vlogging all the time thinking that my camera is getting recorded, the GoPro. Then I came to know there was no memory card in it. These are the worst case scenarios for a guy for a vlogger that can happen. Sometimes he forgets to get his battery or forgets to get the memory card. So yeah, so guys, we have reached the xBHP place. This is hosted by 6k miles, so it's even a part of with Kivaraj. So we are from DRCB group. We have come down here. We didn't expect this, but yeah, unfortunately I'll just show you what is happening here. So this is the event. This is where the bikes are coming in, and at the same time there are people playing cricket. So I don't know what happened, but this is the state over here as of now. A lot of bikers coming in, and yeah, so the event has not started yet. It's yet to start. I'll just show you. So they're all waiting. That Kawasaki H2 is over there. So yeah, so I have my friends today. So hold on. You can see this is our gang. They're all our gang, right? So yeah, so you can see that the event is going on. It's not started yet to start, and I can hear some Superbikes coming in. So guys, the event, they said it will start in few minutes. You can see that there is vehicles have come in. The Mahindra Thar. So these bikes, guys, I just wanted to show. And these are my gang. See, all of them sitting there. Very decent boys. Hi. So you can see that rocket is there, right? And we have the H2. We have the then the TVS Apache 310R. Then we have the, I don't know what vehicle is, the torque.
Test.
The power, it is about the torque, and it's about the engine capacity, 2500 cc.
So guys, the program is going on. I have here Sampath.
Don't do that.
Congrats.
All of a sudden, put it on my face.
He got a gift. He got a gift for
So we
answering a
have two more
question.
plates now. Okay, we'll save that for a little bit later now. Alright, so whoever motorcycling clubs are here, have you given your name to Mr. Fanikar? We have a small note of thanks. I saw some hands raised. Motorcycling clubs, please raise your hands. There was some, Fanikar, did you get anyone? Not all of them. Right. So, okay, all right. 1 second.
And guys, there's our gang sitting there.
All right.
The great heroes.
CC Suzuki's years.
So guys,
So I just got
this
my
guy
Honda
is
minus just
riding
2 months
for
back,
past
2-3 months
26
back.
years with he and his wife.
Just started. I've done around 3,000 on that. So we just started our riding on that bigger bike now. So it's been a lot of experience all over the country. We've been to Spiti also some time back with a lot of help from Sunny and xBHP and all that. They helped us a lot to do the ride. And anyway, it's nice to be here. And this is my bike.
Greet each and every one of you. So have a nice day. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
So any tips for all these young gentlemen, because later on when they find their partners, how to keep riding with them, how do you manage all this, like 26 years? And the best part is they were not on a superbike. They were, this was your first.
Yes, 125.
So for now you've just upgraded, finally.
3 months back.
What is your secret, please?
No secrets, just enjoy your ride, that's it. And as long as you enjoy your ride and ride responsibly, that's very important. Ride responsibly, always wear the right riding gears. Don't ride without riding gears. And ride responsibly, enjoy your rides, nothing else. As long as you enjoy your rides, you keep riding.
But today people want a fancy bike with a lot of power. I mean, don't look at these bikes. We all started with low capacity motorcycles. We graduated slowly. So it's not that, we immediately sat on these kind of machines. So you have to take it slow, and actually the bike does not matter. The partner, the riding experience, how you ride, how you capture your rides, they actually matter. So thank you so much, sir. And we just want to give you one small note of thanks. It is just, a lot of people get inspired by you, a lot of couples. So we just want you to keep doing what you are doing. Thank you.
So first of all, I would like to thank xBHP for making me a part of this epic road trip journey, the Road Trip United 2021, and I actually joined them from Hyderabad, and today is my last day over here. About my biking journey, I started a few years back in 2016, wherein I took part in Ambi Valley drag race. I happened to go there with few of my friends. Back then I was
The next question I think we can ask regarding that only. Okay, so my next question for the gift hamper from Castrol Pawan is that how many countries did we do from Delhi to Singapore on the Dominar in 2019? Wait, don't answer, otherwise you'll be disqualified. Yeah. Okay.
15.
No.
11.
Who's come? But you have to tell the name of the countries also. No, please. At least get 6 countries right.
Okay. So, yeah, it was Malaysia too. Okay, India, Malaysia. What was it?
What is that?
I hardly know the names of those countries.
I the biker! I the biker! I the biker! Thank you, Bangalore. And if there was a tarmac here, we would have done a burnout on the H2. I'm sorry. We cannot do it here. The stage would go into shreds, But do you want to hear the whistle?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that.